work, isn't it?
Just would say not.
No.
Bit of wiring required, really.
There
you go.
Right.
Fantastic. Go on, try him again.
Wow.
He just popped a little bit, didn't he?
Yeah.
After a few more minutes of running and a little bit of temperature getting into the engine, the car started to sound pretty sweet, and even the smoke was burning off the exhaust manifold. And me and Dad were stood by the carbs having a little chat about just how well it had gone. Unbeknown to us, not only was that exhaust manifold starting to get warm, it was starting to glow cherry red. So we knocked the engine off and we decided to reassess. We chucked a timing light on and the ignition timing was a little bit too advanced, so we pulled it back to where it should be, fired it back up, and the car settled down to a nice steady idle at about 1100 RPM. You could blip it on the throttle and the revs would pick up, but there was some hesitance there. So obviously there is a little bit of improvement and fine tuning to do on the carburetors, but all things considered, it's a massive result. And in our next video, we'll make some tweaks and changes and refinements to the carbs to see just how much better we can get it.